and welcome to today's episode. For the ones that are new here, I'm Konstantinos and we explore on a 2018 Africa Twin. Today we find ourselves just outside Aurelia. We're taking some back roads, and right at the front we have John with his Africa Twin. Right after we have Andrew and his KTM, and his wife Caroline on a KTM, and of course me on the Africa Twin. And we're just out here exploring, riding, beautiful colors of fall. And what else could we ask for? Good company and riding motorcycles. Oh my god, please tell me this is not rain or it's just dirt from the bike. Yep, I got dirt from shit. Oh man, that got me going there for a second. I thought we were gonna rain. And with John we met not too long ago. You probably have seen him in one of my videos from the Friday the 13th. And Andrew, I met him yesterday, and his wife, I met her today. And I'm not gonna lie, usually I'm very good at picking up vibes, and these people, I feel like they're pretty great people. So, and I know Andrew today, he had some issues with his bike. His bike wouldn't start, so jump started. And then along the way we had to pull over on a side street, and his battery was swollen, so we had to buy a new battery. And now, what happened? It smells again? The battery?
The battery's dripping.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I can smell. That's the same smell as earlier.
Yep. Battery's just loose. It's charging system.
I know, right?
We're shooting so well. Charging system. Oh. Yeah, it's a 2-amp battery.
Oh, you can smell it all the way here.
You smell that too? You're smelling that?
Yeah.
Some weird smell. That battery.
No.
Yep.
Exploded another battery.
Yep. Did it ever? Boom. This is just the road. Yeah. But that.
Oh, it's not controlling the charge on the battery.
That's exactly what it is. One of the regulator is gone.
Oh,
Voltage regulator. I'm driving down here. It's like, and all of a sudden it just. Ooh, it's like, oh.
Well, we give it a shot. We try.
Throw a helmet on just in case we both get over.
Oh, I've never done that before. That's the first time for everything.
Alright. Yeah, I do.
So yeah, I guess his regulator. Cheers. Yeah, and we just put a brand new battery, not even like an hour ago. Oh well, that's part of the adventure. Can't change it. It happens.
oh my god.
Huh?
I can't believe this.
Alright, here we go. So we're gonna leave the bike here. I'm gonna continue riding. Fortunately, Andrew and Caroline, they have to ride together. 2 up. What can you do? Things happen. And Andrew made a joke about how a KTM being towed by a Honda. That was funny. But like I said, things like this always happen, and well, not always, they do happen. we continue on riding and enjoy the rest of the day. Oh, and this is a beautiful road. That's a beautiful road. I'm very impressed. Never would have thought there would be a road hidden behind here like that. Huh. I feel like this video will be dedicated more of music and just riding, not a lot of talking. But I mean, it's not like I talk a lot anyways. Company, great ride, nice weather, and beautiful nature. And now we are just entering Bala. Oh yeah, I remember. I have a video over there, the waterfalls. That's like a couple of years back. Wow. Time flies.